Alright guys, so I have this tip for you to make your letters look a little bit better and not like this. So the first things you need to keep in mind are, of course, your downstrokes are going to be thick, and then your upstrokes are going to be nice and thin. But what about your curved strokes? For instance, like right here, the bottom of your P, the bottom of your S, the top of your P, those are going to be nice and thin as well. So basically matching your upstrokes, okay? And you can see that right here in the letter L, something like that. You can see that the bottom of my curve is not thick and my top is not thick either. Okay, so you have to remember to start lifting your brush, or in this case making it thicker at this angle right there, and then lifting it up right at this angle. Same with the letter O or any other letter that has a curve. Again, the angles are the same. So start your thick stroke right here and gradually do it. So you're gonna slow down a lot. And then you're gonna slow down right here at the bottom and make it thinner, and then continue that thin line all the way up. Okay? So think of it like driving. Let's say you're driving on a big round circle. Let's say you're in a race. So right here and right here is where your thickness is gonna change. So you're gonna think of it like this. This is gonna be your upstroke, and this is your downstroke, right? Because this line is mostly going up, so you're gonna make it thin. And this line right here, this half of the circle, is mostly going down, so you're gonna make it thick. But the transition happens at these angles. And you can try these out with different letters, and they're mostly gonna be the same. Same with the letters E, same with the letter L, same with the letter S. There's always that angle. So when you're driving a car, you're gonna go up, up, up. You're gonna go fast because this is mostly gonna be a straight line, a straight road. So you can go fast and you can go very thin because you're going up. And then you're gonna hit the curve. So you're gonna slow down, make the curve, and then right before you have to straighten out your car again because you're gonna be mostly going down, that's when you can start speeding up. In this case, going down and making it thicker. And then again around the curve. So you're gonna slow down right around here before you hit the bottom of the curve, and you're gonna lift your brush up and make your nice thin stroke. I'm gonna trace this over and we're gonna see how much better this is gonna look. So you can see already how much better this looks, and all I did was just fix the curve parts. So now my S right here is not thick on the bottom, and it actually looks a lot better. It's still not perfect because my hand's kind of shaky because this is kind of small, but you can see that it looks a lot better. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, please click like below and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me. Also, check out the links below where you can find me on social media for free worksheets, courses, classes, blog posts, and more goodies. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.